If you are new to the SQL, you will definitely hear about Big Six queries. The Big Six queries are six queries that are the basic queries that every data analyst, data scientist, whoever you are, that you are going to use SQL, you have to know these six queries in order to start any kind of a job which has something to do with SQL. So we have seen last time the select everything from the company employee. This is the our table, the table with different columns, and we have selected everything from this. Now we are going to see the second one. Actually, the second one is the from, so we have seen the first and second, and now we are going to see the third one. The third command in the group of six main queries is the where command. So how we are gonna use the where? First of all, we need to always select something from our table. So we are saying this like everything from our table, which is a company dot employee. Well, this command is going to return us these table that we see down on the below on the bottom. And if we are going to see where pay, for example, pay is higher than 80,000, we are filtering our query and we are getting the new data set. Let me show you what's gonna we have. If you see all of them, all the employees that we are seeing has the pay over $80,000. So this is actually the functionality of the where and how to use the where. Hope it was useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe. That's what motivates me to make the videos. And on the next video, we're gonna see the next big six queries, and you're gonna go deep dive to these queries. See you next time. Bye.